Hey everyone, this is Extra Null Byte back with another video, and today I will be showing you how to do things like run Android apps on your computer. Now, this isn't natively supported, so you will need to download a third-party application called BlueStacks, which is kinda free, not really free, but it is free. So once you download it and all of that stuff, you can use it for about a month or something, and then you'll be asked to make a payment of $2 or just install a couple of free apps that they ask you to install. It's a bunch of games or whatever, but it's basically how they get paid. But once you do that, it's free. Anyway, the website is called the BlueStacks, and that's the program there. Let me just open this up. Let me talk about the requirements. You need about 2 gigabytes of free storage and about 2 gigabytes of RAM to run this. And processor, I believe it just has to be able to do virtualization, and that's about it. Most newer processors can do that, so unless you're running a potato or a microwave or, I don't know, a toaster, then you should be all right. So this has a huge selection of games that are compatible with this, and you can read it yourself here if you want to. And it's not only limited to games, you can basically install any Android app you want, things like WhatsApp or Viber or any other app that you want. So once you're on the website BlueStacks, scroll all the way down, and then there's a download for PC. You click that, and basically you're confirmed with this download option. You can save the program and then run it. I'm not going to do that since I already have it installed, but basically this is the installation. So it's going to give you this. You click run, then it's going to do some extracting and all of that stuff, but I'll cancel that because I already have this installed. So to run it, let me just go from start here. Come on, close it. There we go. You just click on the BlueStacks icon once it's installed, and there it is. It's gonna load up and all of that stuff. Now the best thing about this is you can sideload apps if you want to. If you have the APK files, you can just click on that and then go to your folder where you have all the apps. Like I have a backup folder here with WhatsApp and all of that stuff, so I can sideload any APK file I want. Or you can just download them through the search. For example, if I search for WhatsApp, I can download it from here or search the Google Play. So here I can basically install any of these apps I want. Let me just go ahead and install WhatsApp Messenger. You will be asked to provide your Google account, just like when you're setting up your phone. It's going to ask you to log in with your Google account or create a new one. In this instance, I just basically created a new account just to mess around with it. So as you can see, app is installed. It's asking me for a phone number, but I'm not going to bother with that. So it works exactly like your mobile phone or a tablet. With the added exception, it has a controller emulator, so you can play any game on your computer using your keyboard and a mouse. Anyway, so I got a couple of games here that I installed so we can try them out. So I got the Terraria. This is the free version, but you can basically download the game from the Amazon Play Store, which is, oh man, that's loud. You can download the game from Amazon Play Store, and it's a full-fledged game for free, Terraria. Anyway, if I click play here, here is me with my character. So As you can see, I can move my character around using the controller here on the side, where you would normally use your fingers to move that. But now that makes it weird to play. So there's these buttons here, the W, A, S, and D. If you click on that and then click on D-pad and choose your control scheme, W, A, S, and D, I'll confirm on that, and just drag this down here. So now I should be able to move my character. Let's save that using A, S, W to jump up, or I can change it. So space. Let's change this W to be a space bar because let's just add a new one because why not? So W, let's make it a space bar. So I want to jump to space bar. There we go. So save that. So whenever I press a space bar, I'm going to jump. So yeah, this is full-fledged, full FPS. There's like no lag, nothing. And basically, it works. So I can click on things. Here it says touch the screen near you to do things or whatever, chop down a tree. So using my mouse to chop down a tree, just holding the left mouse button. Can also fight things, opening doors and stuff. So yeah, that's basically Terraria for you. I mean, you can fight things. Let's kill this slime. Boom. There, it's killed. How do I open a chest? I have no idea how to open a chest. Yeah, anyway, you can figure that out yourself, but you can basically mine and all of that stuff. It's Terraria. Anyway, this is not a Terraria tutorial, it's just how to run your Android apps. Let's quit out of that and let's try something else. Now, you can install any of these apps or any apps that are on Google Play Store currently. The other game I'm going to try is the Pocket Maplestory. Let it load. God, it's loud. I already created an account and all of that stuff in this game. Okay, some notices. Let's exit out of that. Press start. Confirm. But yeah, this is basically just running a Android emulator on your PC, and it's using. Let me just turn the volume down a bit. It's using OpenGL and all them different technologies to make games run as fast as possible natively. So as you can see, I already set up these controls here. There's W, A, S, and D. There's some buttons here for potions and all of that stuff. There's some noobs here. Hello, noobs. So I can walk around. I got the auto walk also set up. Anyway, I mean, you can play any game like this if you want to. Let me go to the NPC here and click on it. And just basic clicking is done with the left mouse button. Okay, blah blah blah, confirm, walk around, climb up. As you can see, everything works fine. And again, this is not limited to just games, but most of the time you'll be playing games on these things anyway, so anyway, this has been Extra Null Byte, and I hope this helped, and hopefully I will make more video tutorials on this thing and see what we can do. But for now I'm just experimenting with this, and it works quite well. I'm happy with the performance. I haven't seen any apps that didn't work yet. Here are all my games and apps that I installed. I haven't tried the Jurassic Craft yet. Let me see that. That's probably gonna fail horribly on the video, because, you know. It's loading. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, this is a Jurassic Craft kinda Minecraft-y survival. Yeah, I'm not gonna read this right now. Yeah. Okay, so again, I can move. I can turn around. Let's head up there. Let's look around. Okay, so let's punch some trees. Can we do that? Do we punch trees in this game? Oh, I have no idea. What is that? Oh, inventory. Okay. Anyway, let's not get into this. I don't know how to play it, so I'm just gonna embarrass myself by trying. I see some mushrooms. Maybe I can go pick them up. Can I pick them up? Oh, that's a jump button. Anyway, that's basically it, and I will talk to you all later on. Peace.